येषु सर्वदा.
I would like to take this event forward now that we've seek the blessings of our first Guru, our protector, Lord Ganesha. One child, one teacher, one pen, and one book can change the world. A quote by the daughter of a teacher, Malala Yousafzai. A very good morning to everyone present here today. I, Mansi Gandhi, from the NSS unit of HR College of Commerce and Economics, welcome you all to the Teachers' Day celebrations. Today, the 5th of September, is an auspicious occasion wherein we get a chance to acknowledge the hard work of the teachers who mold us students into future leaders. Teachers are our first guiding step into this world. Without a mentor, a guide to distinguish right from wrong, we will all be lost without a purpose. In teachers, we find our friend, parent, instructor, and inspiration. Every moment spent with our teachers often leaves us spellbound with lessons we may never learn otherwise. Teachers truly are the pillars of our country who guide and shape us. I take the privilege in wishing all the mentors in our college and across the country a very happy Teachers' Day. Without further ado, I would like to begin with the celebrations, the one we've been waiting for a long time, to celebrate the efforts of our beloved faculty and to make this day an everlasting memory. Let us now begin the wonderful celebration by seeking the blessings of the Almighty. Join me in Guru Vandana as we seek strength and wisdom from the Almighty.
गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः.
Hello and a very good morning to one and all present here. I, Chaitrali Shelar, welcome you all to the Teachers' Day celebration. Aristotle wrote, "Those who educate the children are more to be honored than their parents, because these give them life, but those the art of living with." Nowhere in this world had the implication of the statement better than in ancient India. With time, there have been so many changes in the education system. Now, even physical classrooms to virtual classrooms and online teaching. But even after that, perhaps India is the solitary country in the world where greater importance is attached to the teachers. The success and achievements of an educational system depend to a great extent on the ideals that animate the teacher and the student, the nature of the relationship that exists between the two. In India, teacher is the spiritual and intellectual parent of the student. Without the help of the teacher, no education is possible. He is regarded as the guru, a friend, philosopher, and guide. People guide you the way they know to guide you. To overcome stress, one friend will ask you to drink, and another will ask you to meditate. To overcome hurt, one will ask you to take revenge, and another will ask you to forgive and move ahead in life. Who do you consider your guide makes all the difference. Duryodhana's predicament, in his own words, was, "I know what is right, but I'm not able to indulge in it. I know what is wrong, but I'm not able to avoid it." He needed a guide, a mentor, and it was his uncle Shakuni. And resultantly, he moved from bad to worse. Arjuna's predicament was quite different. He was allowing his personal emotions to dominate his sense of duty, and hence he wanted to escape from the responsibilities he had towards upholding righteousness. He also needed a guide, a mentor, and it was Krishna. And resultantly, Arjuna was restored to his greatness. We as students need a guide, but who is your guide makes all the difference. And we are Indeed blessed to have you all as our teachers, our mentors, our guides, our gurus, who are constantly helping us to achieve success and reach greater heights. Thank you.
Thank you, Chetrali, for those beautiful words. We all know that HR College is a premier autonomous educational institute. All the students that graduate from HR do so well in all walks of life. The prominent graduates include celebrities, politicians, business people, athletes, and more. This is mainly because of the efforts of our dear teachers and the holistic approach in education which HR focuses on. Today, a few of the alumni of HR would like to speak a few words for the teachers.
Hi everyone, this is Anvita Dikshit and I'd like to wish all of you a very happy Teachers' Day. I think we're so lucky to have gone to HR College where teachers like you could mold us into the people that we've become today. It's honestly thanks to all your encouragement, support and dedication that we've been able to become the best versions of ourselves in college and also after that. I think for me personally, starting Sync and having those ideas in college, it was so important to have a faculty that was supportive and really encouraged me in the right direction. Right from the time I said I wanted to start a new club to now, I think there has been like this unending, unconditional amount of support from the faculty and the teachers, and for that I am truly forever grateful. It is because of the way that you nurture us and make us believe in ourselves that we can carry forward that legacy even outside college. It's because of the confidence that I was given while I was studying that today I can stand tall on my own feet and say that I know what I'm doing and I believe in myself. So honestly, thank you to each and every one of you who came for our sessions, who stood by us even in times when we didn't know whether this club would last. And also to all the other teachers that have taught me, I just want to say a big thank you because it takes a lot to make subjects interesting and to connect them to our real lives, and you've always been able to do that. So you should feel really proud of yourselves for impacting our lives this way and for really changing us and making us who we are. A big thank you once again, and I hope that you enjoy this Teachers' Day and take some time out for yourselves. In very typical Sync style, I'd also recommend that you try yoga and you remove that time for yourself to really focus on who you are and how you can keep growing as teachers and as human beings. Thank you for being so exceptional. Sending you all my love and all my gratitude. Thank you once again. Namaste.
Hello teachers of HR College. Here's wishing you a very happy Teachers' Day. I'm so glad that I get this opportunity to wish y'all on this very special day. It's just a small token from us students for such magnanimous work that y'all do. I'm so glad and so privileged to have been taught by some of y'all, to have sat in the staff room, in the classroom with some of y'all. It's really a pleasure being here and really a pleasure wishing y'all on this wonderful day. I still remember when we as young students used to come, the staff room used to be this very unattainable place. It was very intimidating to go inside, but as the years grew by, I have chilled with people there. I have enjoyed some lovely event organization over there in that staff room with teachers, with students, and it has made us realize that teachers are not really supposed to be that intimidating. When we come from school, we feel that teachers are a little scary or are disciplinarians, but when you come to college is when you realize that they are much more than that. They are your friends, they are your well-wishers, they are really supportive, and that's exactly the kind of teachers I had in HR College, and I'm sure they're still around there giving that kind of love and support to the students who are there. I'm really proud of calling myself an HRite because of the lovely teachers who were there. They made HR feel like a second home, and the teachers became like second mothers and second fathers to me, and I'm really grateful for that. And I hope that I can someday impart that kind of knowledge, that kind of skill, that kind of love and support to some other students maybe in the future, or to my own children as well. It has been a really long journey. When I came into HR, there were some really senior teachers, some of them have left along the way, and today there are my classmates who are teaching students of HR, as young as me, who are teaching students of HR. It's been a really long journey. That staff room, those walls of that college must have really seen a huge change over the years, but I really hope that what remains is the love, is the support, and the brilliance of all you wonderful teachers. Thank you so much for being a part of my life, and thank you so much for enriching all of us students with your knowledge. Thank you. Happy Teachers' Day.
Hello everyone, this is Gitika Bhatia and wishing all the teachers of HR College a very happy Teachers' Day. To be honest, we may not really remember the lectures that you taught us in class, but what we certainly do remember is all the life lessons that you imparted, and I think that's the beauty of HR College teachers. You know, y'all are so selfless, and more than teachers, y'all have been like mentors, and y'all have guided us through each and every step, be it our professional or personal lives. So we're really grateful to you for that. Special shout out to Miss Pooja Lalwani ma'am, who's been our backbone support in PMS. Like, we could have not done nothing without her. So she's always stood by us through thick and thin, and we're just so grateful for that. And of course Trisha ma'am, Rahul sir, Poonam ma'am, and Adil sir, who have also been so supportive to us and been really great. My junior college teachers, I have Miss Anuradha ma'am and Bharti ma'am, who have also been really amazing, and I'm just so glad that I got to know such teachers during my college years, and who made my 5 glorious years at HR College really memorable. I'm so proud to call it my second home, thanks to all of you. So wishing all of you a happy Teachers' Day again, and thank you for everything that you've done for us. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Shantanu Maheshwari, and I want to wish all the teachers of HR College a very happy Teachers' Day. You guys have played a big significant role, and not only in terms of academics and studies, but also for extracurricular activities, because for me, Nandu sir and Choice really made a major difference, and helped me find my potential, explore my potential. So thank you for that, and not only this, to all other teachers as well. Thank you for all your efforts and helping us shape to become what we are today. So thank you, and once again, a very happy Teachers' Day.
Wishing a very happy Teachers' Day to all my teachers at HR College. Here's a poem I've written in honor of all my teachers. I hope you will enjoy hearing it. The lanes I once walked are now filled with the hustle of younger feet. The memories I have from college are mine forever to keep. Growing up is never easy, and who knows that better than you, our teachers so dear. I've watched you, wanted to be like you. Your voice is in my head, I could hear. Looking back at the days gone by, I really have come to wonder a lot each day. How a teacher ever so calm, poised, wise and friendly can stay. Does not the teacher have stresses at home, at work? Does not the teacher ever break down? There must be so many hidden stories behind that smiling face and cute frown. As I grew up, I realized a teacher is as human as you, me, and every other soul. Except that teachers are made with a special heart of gold. The classrooms, brown wooden benches, the flight of stairs at college, they beckon me all the time. If I could travel back in time and become a student again, I wouldn't at all mind. Growing up makes me realize that I have now stepped into the world of grown-ups, the same world as my preachers. Nobody prepared me for this chaotic planet better than my dear teachers. When I visit college now, it feels as if everyone and everything belongs to another time. New young faces surround me. I feel lost, the feeling I cannot define. But then I'll run into our old admin staff, our evergreen teachers and loyal peons, seeing their familiar faces. Their hair is now grey but warmth intact, my reassuring sand dunes. And now I am a mother. I tell my stories just the way you all used to quote. The roles are reversed now. I am the teacher on this boat. I also teach schools and colleges. When I put my feet in the big shoes you left for me to fill, it intimidates me, and I respect you all the more, my teachers. You truly climbed uphill. I may have never known back then what it takes to run an institution such as a college. It must have been tough. But I knew that for many young hearts and lives, it was a learning heaven. A place where you could build memories smooth and rough. Thank you very much, my dear teachers. I really owe you everything that I am. God bless.
Hi everyone, I'm Darshit Safari, and today on the occasion of Teachers Day, I'd like to wish all the teachers of HR College a very happy Teachers Day. Thank you so much for teaching me, supporting me, and for your guidance, and lastly for your blessings. Thank you so much.
Wishing all my dear teachers at HR a very happy Teachers Day. Thank you for always being the coolest bunch. HR is known for being a student-friendly college, and that has only been possible because of the culture that our teachers promote, and we're proud of it. As students, we'll always be grateful for the love, the support, for almost never saying no to student initiatives, and being our backbone through it all and letting us grow. Thank you for making HR home. Once again, wishing all our dear teachers a very happy Teachers Day.
HR College is the greatest college ever. Thank you for instilling all this confidence and giving us this ability through the platforms and the ecosystems that you have created. Thank you. Happy Teachers Day. Wishing you the best. Always.
We truly are grateful for everything that you do for us, teachers. It is rightly said that music is an integral part of our everyday life, and it's been proven that music is good for the mind, body, and the soul. We now have a song performance by one of our students, Vivan Roshan, who is going to amaze us with his killer tunes and definitely leave us mesmerized.
Hello everyone. A very happy Teachers Day to all the teachers watching this. Thank you for guiding us and being the guiding light in our lives. This is a little something from me, Vivan Roshan, for all of y'all. So sit back and enjoy the show, and a very happy Teachers Day again. Gulabi aankhein jo teri dekhi शराबी ये दिल हो गया संभालो मुझको ओ मेरे यारों संभलना मुश्किल हो गया गुलाबी आंखें जो तेरी देखी शराबी ये दिल हो गया संभालो मुझको ओ मेरे यारों संभलना मुश्किल हो गया चुरा लिया है तुमने जो दिल को नजर नहीं चुराना सनम बदल के मेरी तुम जिंदगानी कहीं बदल ना जाना सनम वो चुरा लिया है तुमने जो दिल को नजर नहीं चुराना सनम बदल के मेरी तुम जिंदगानी कहीं बदल ना जाना सनम मेरे रास्ते कमर तूने पहली नजर जब नजर से मिलाई मजा आ गया मेरे रास्ते कमर तूने पहली नजर जब नजर से मिलाई मजा आ गया होश में मेरी आगोश में चोट दिल पे वो खाई मजा आ गया रूप तेरा मस्ताना प्यार मेरा दीवाना भूल कोई हमसे ना हो जाए ओ रूप तेरा मस्ताना प्यार मेरा दीवाना भूल कोई हमसे ना हो जाए बंदूक मेरी लैला बंदूक मेरी लैला सीने में तूने बुलेट उतारी तो उड़े जुगनुआ सीने में तूने बुलेट उतारी तो उड़े जुगनू बंदूक मेरी लैला Thank you so much and a very happy Teachers' Day to all of you all.
Mansi, just one thing. Can I request all my dear faculties and my colleagues to please on the videos so we can some great pictures of you while watching this show. So humble request for everyone to please on the video on your camera on so can we clip some glimpse of you while you are enjoying the show. And now we have to participate further in this competition. Mansi, take it ahead.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Don't you all think that when he started singing, we all sailed through his soulful voice? His voice truly is magical. Now, we've all gathered here to have a fun-filled morning, to enjoy and to have some fun, to refresh ourselves from our everyday busy schedules. So now we have a game, the HR Entertainment Trivia. Today, the teachers are going to be put to a test. I would like to call upon Tanishka Sawant and Bijal Endulkar to introduce the game and its rules.
Thank you so much, Mansi. I, Tanishka Sawant and Bijal Endulkar will be the host for today's game. The guidelines for the game are as follows.
Number 1. The questions will be read and displayed on the screen. Number 2. The participants will be given 1 minute for each questions. Number 3. The participants have to type out their answers in the chat box and not say it out loud or else they won't be marked. Number 4. The first 3 participants who type the answer in the chat box will be marked. Number 5. The marking scheme is as follows. First position, 5 marks. Second position, 3 marks. And third position, 2 marks. I hope you all are excited, teachers. Let's begin with the trivia.
The guidelines for the Bollywood trivia are also posted in the chat box. So, thank you.
So let's begin with the first question. And the question number 1 is, name a Bollywood movie released in the year our college was founded. So teachers, there can be multiple options for this movie. So put your answers in the chat box and we'll see who gives the right answer first.
Yes, we have one answer from Rahul, sir.
Yes, we have one answer from Rahul, sir. Bhavna, ma'am.
We're waiting for all your answers.
Yes. And there we go. I guess we have all the right answers and top 3 people who have answered this question. And yes, Mughal-e-Azam is the right movie. Also, Mother India. So let's move on to the next question.
Question 2. Name a Bollywood actor with the same initials as our college. This seems to be a pretty easy question, so let's see, teachers. Yes. Sameer sir has answered the question. Right, it's Hrithik Roshan. Yes, Hrithik Roshan. Yes, we have the right answers already in the chat box. I hope our volunteers are marking the teachers. So let's move on to the next question, please.
Question 3. Who was the first principal of HR College? I guess all the teachers would be able to answer this question quite easily.
Yes,
we have the top 3 answers, which was first answered by Pooja ma'am. Yes, we have the right answer. Let's move on to the next question.
Question 4. In which year did we win the Best College Award? No, Naveen sir, it's a wrong answer. Yes, we have the right answer from Parag sir, Rani ma'am, Prata ma'am, and we have the top 3 answers. So let's move on to the next question.
This is a very interesting question. Which movie was filmed at HR College? I guess we all know this answer. Yes, and there we have it. I love the enthusiasm between teachers in the chat box. It's Wake Up Sid. Let's just move on to the next question.
Question 6. What is the name of HR canteen? Has anyone ever thought that HR canteen has a name? So let's see who gets this answer right. Yes.
We already have the answers.
It's Butterfly Cafe. Yes, Geeta ma'am, Rashmi ma'am is the right answer. So let's move on to the next question.
In which year did we receive the Innovation Award by Higher Education? I guess this question needs a little bit of thinking. Oh, and there we have it. The right answer by Geeta ma'am already. Let's move on to the next question.
Question 8. Relate the pictures and guess the actor. So in the following question, we'll be showing you 4 pictures. You have to relate the pictures and guess the actor.
This is a really interesting question.
Yeah. It's a wrong answer. Any other answers?
Yes. And there we have 2 answers in the chat box. And there we go. We
I'm
have
answering the right question. Right answer, sorry. Yes, Poonam ma'am is Varun Dhawan. And we have the right answer. So let's move on to the next question, please.
Now guess the movie from the following dialogue. मैं उड़ना चाहता हूँ, दौड़ना चाहता हूँ, गिरना भी चाहता हूँ, बस रुकना नहीं चाहता. Let me mention once again, you have to guess the movie here and not the actor. And there we go. We already have the answer in the chat box. All our teachers seem to love movies and Bollywood so much. Let's move on to the next question.
Guess the movie from the pictures given below. Our teachers seem to be movie buffs, so I pretty well know they're going to answer it right. And yes, we have the right answer from Naveen sir, Poonam ma'am, Rani ma'am. Yes, it's Tare Zameen Par. So let's move on to the next question.
You have to guess the singer from the following audio track, and the audio track will only be played once. There we go. We have the right answer by Pooja ma'am.
Hello. Teachers, you have to guess the singer.
Yes, ma'am. We had to guess the singer, and Pooja ma'am is there with the right answer. Let's move on to the next question.
This one for copy.
Yes. Name 2 movies Karan Johar has acted in. This seems to be, and both the movies should be there in the same message. Teachers. Yes, we have the right answer.
Rani ma'am was the first one to give the answer correctly.
Teachers, both the movies should
be in the same message.
Yes, we have the right answers from Rani ma'am. Then we have Rita ma'am, and we have Poonam ma'am. No, Poonam ma'am, you're wrong with 1 movie. Sorry. We have Naveen sir. So we have the top 3 answers. So let's move on to the next question, please.
Now it's going to be an interesting question. Guess the actor from his clothes. Who is this actor?
Easy question, I feel.
It's very easy. There we go. The chat box is flooding with answers once again. Let's just move on to the next question.
Question 14. Guess the actor from the following description. He is the son of a famous Indian actor, film producer, and politician. He is best known for his role as Jeetu in the movie Hangama. His first movie was Himalaya Putra. And yes, Rani ma'am is the right answer. Is Akshay Khanna. I love the excitement and all the teachers' enthusiasm that they are showing.
Yes.
It's really commendable.
Should we move on to the next question, Tanishka?
Yes, please.
Yeah. Name the actress who played the role of Preeti Sabharwal in the movie Chak De India. This needs a little bit of thinking, but I guess our teachers just love movies, so they'll be able to answer it anyway. Let's see. Oh, absolutely. There we have the answers coming right ahead. Before I even complete the question, Sagarika Ghatke is the right answer. Let's just move on to the next question.
Question 16. Guess the movie and the actor who charged only rupees 11 for his role in this biographical sports drama film released in 2013. Again, the movie and the actor should be mentioned in the same message. Google. So Google is not allowed. Yes, we have the right answer again from Rani ma'am.
I guess Rani ma'am is taking this game in her hands now.
Yes,
She's going to win hands down.
Fire.
Teachers, we need some competition. Yes, ma'am. Pooja ma'am, she's truly winning.
We surrender.
Okay, so let's move on to the next question, please.
You have to guess the actor from the following dialogue. मैं तुम्हें भूल जाऊं ये हो नहीं सकता और तुम मुझे भूल जाओ ये मैं होने नहीं दूंगा. It's a very easy, yes, a famous dialogue by Sunil Shetty.
Rani ma'am, there you go again.
Again. Yes.
Give it a movie name also, which is...
Yeah, somebody gave the movie name.
I mean, guys, are we sure कि हमारा ये presentation PPT leak नहीं हुआ था exam papers के
also thinking
They just know the answers. Let's just move on to the next question.
Question 18. Guess the villain from the movie prop given below. Teachers, you have to guess the villain from the movie prop given below. Oh, Rani ma'am.
Rani ma'am, that's a wrong answer.
You can still try. You have to guess the villain.
The villain in the movie.
I think we should keep negative marking for Rani ma'am only.
Yeah, the movie is right.
Yes, ma'am. Nidhi ma'am, the movie is right, but the villain in this movie was played by...
Yes, there we go, Poonam ma'am.
Yes.
Mukesh.
There we have the right answer. Let's see who just
Any
types it
more
out
answers?
faster. Yeah.
Yes, Rifa ma'am. Sir is telling to consider Rani ma'am and him as in the same team. Not possible. Okay, let's move on to the next question, please.
Teachers, you have to guess the producer from these movie illustrations. So these are 3 different movies produced by the same producer. I hope you can guess all of these movies quite easily.
Sir, it's pretty easy.
No, Didi ma'am, that's unfortunately the wrong answer. And there we go, Poonam ma'am gave the right answer. Let's see who types it out fast and puts it in the chat box. Yes, Bharati ma'am, it's the right answer, Sajid. And there we go, we have the top 3 people who answered the question properly, who is Sajid Nadiawala. Let's move on to the final question of our trivia.
Now here we have a twist. We have a rapid fire round coming in. So you have to name one from each of the following. So there is a twist. You need to own the answers should be only like, for example, if I say a director, the particular director should be a HR alumni. So let's see who gets this. And teachers, the top answer will only the top answer will be considered. So let's see who gets this right. And be as rapid as possible. So name one from each of the following. First, director. Yes, it's Karan Johar. Yes, right. Second, an actor. He should be an HR alumni.
Yes, there we go. So many actors.
There we go.
This is naming them.
Third, actress. Yes, Naveen sir, that's the right answer.
I hope the volunteers are marking the answers.
Yes. Only the top answer will be considered in rapid fire.
Yeah, the first one.
List. Yes, Kumar Birla is the right answer. Singer.
Now we are going to have the last 5 rapid fire questions. So get your hands on the keyboard and there we go. Number 6 is, can we have it on the PPT? Yeah. Social activist. A social activist alumni. I guess that's the right answer. Let's move on to the next question. A business person. Okay, there we go. We have the right answer. A politician. Next question. A politician. Piyush Goyal. Yes, that's the right answer. Let's move on to the next question. A TEDx speaker from HR College. No, I don't think so. There we go. We have the right answer. And the final question is an HR alumni model. Yeah, we have the right answer by Pooja ma'am. The final answer was given by our principal ma'am itself. So this concludes our HR trivia right here, HR Bollywood trivia right here.
I hope all the teachers enjoyed it. There was a twist in the game wherein we had tried to connect HR and Bollywood, and all the answers were HR alumni only. So I hope all the teachers enjoyed the game, and thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Tanishka. Thank you, Bijal. After this nerve-wracking and brain-teaser trivia, let's have a fun and an enjoyable performance to refresh you all. We now have a dance performance by the NSS volunteers on the theme Evolution of Bollywood Music.
ज़माना भी है दीवाना, दीवाना क्या कहेगा। ओ हसीना जुल्फों वाले जाने जहां, ढूंढती है काफिर आंखें किसका निशान। महफिल महफिल ऐ शमा फिरती हो कहाँ, महफिल महफिल ऐ शमा फिरती हो कहाँ। चिकिला की चिकी चिकिला की चुप, चिकिला की चिकी चिकिला की चिकी चुप। मेरा गाना मैं इसी का दीवाना, तो झूमो तो नाचो आओ मेरे साथ नाचो गाओ। I am a disco dancer, I am a disco dancer। सोना कितना सोना है, सोने जैसा तेरा मन, सुन जरा सुन क्या कहती है दीवाने दिल की धड़कन। सोना कितना सोना है, सोने जैसा तेरा मन, सुन जरा सुन क्या कहती है दीवाने दिल की धड़कन। मैं तेरा मैं तेरा मैं तेरा मैं तेरा मैं तेरा हीरो नंबर 1।
चुप कर कब
प्यार की पहली नजर है, ले गई ले गई दिल, ले गई ले गई, ले गई ले गई, ले गई ले गई, ले गई ले गई, ले गई ले गई।
I love you all! दोस्तों, ना कोई मंजिल है, ना कोई साथी है, फिर भी निकल पड़ा हूं घर से। शायद जिसकी तलाश है वही साथी है, वही मंजिल है।
ओ जाने जाना, ढूंढे तुझे दीवाना, सपनों में रोज आए, आ जिंदगी में आना। ओ जाने जाना, ढूंढे तुझे दीवाना, सपनों में रोज आए, आ जिंदगी में आना सनम।
तेंदुलकर बिना इंडिया अधूरा, जय को वीरू करता है पूरा, रॉ को बुलाए और हंटर ना आए।
ऐसे डायलॉग पे रजनीकांत भी ताली बजाए।
मैं डालू ताल पे भंगड़ा, तू भी गिद्धा पाले, चले रंग जमा दे हमके बने सभी मत वाले।
मन कहे कि मैं ले आऊं चांद और तारे सारे, इन हाथों पर मैं चांद रखूं, इस मांग में भर दूं तारे।
हेलो हेलो, तू फ्लोर पे जब है आई, येलो येलो बड़ी सॉलिड मस्ती छाई।
हेलो हेलो, तू मुझे तुमने लगाई, येलो येलो कंट्रोल करो मेरे भाई।
Superb, superb.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Chintan. Thank you. You made our day.
Ma'am, it's still something is left out, so I request all the faculties to stay tuned. We're coming something new all the time. So, Mansi, you can take it ahead.
Yes, I'll take it ahead.
And I request all the teachers to please switch on the cameras. Please, please, please. It's a request. We need to record your reactions. Please, teachers.
Yes, teachers.
Thank you.
Yes, that was indeed a lovely performance. We got a glimpse of the different eras of Bollywood. The students of HR College are talented in all the fields. We don't leave any stone unturned. We now have our NSS volunteers who are going to present their own creation in the form of poetry for this special day.
आज कहने के लिए शब्दों का पहाड़ है, इसमें भी इसी इंसान का हाथ है जो बताता है हमको क्या है गलत क्या है सही, जो बताता है हमको क्या है गलत क्या है सही, जो बताता है हमको क्या है अच्छा और क्या नहीं। चाहे बारिश हो या धूप, तबीयत खराब हो या गला, चाहे बारिश हो या धूप, तबीयत खराब हो या गला, इस इंसान को आता ही नहीं है रुकना। हार मानने से रोकते हैं, हार मानने से रोकते हैं, पर गलत तरीके से जीते तो टोकते हैं। उड़ने कह देते हैं हमको, जिसमें दिखता इनको हुनर है। उड़ने कह देते हैं हमको, जिसमें दिखता इनको हुनर है। फिर चाहे वो लड़का हो या लड़की, वो दिखता हमें 7वें आसमान से ऊपर है। जिंदगी की शुरुआत ही ना हुई होती अगर ये इंसान ना होता। जिंदगी की शुरुआत ही ना हुई होती अगर ये इंसान ना होता, अगर जिंदगी को जिंदगी बनाने वाला गुरु ही ना हुआ होता।
हाँ, वो हमें डांटते हैं। जब हम मस्ती करें तो हमारे पेरेंट्स भी बुलाते हैं। जब हमने कुछ ना पढ़ा हो, आखिरी समय हमारे लिए एक्स्ट्रा लेक्चर्स भी कराते हैं। जब हमें ना पता हो कुछ कि आगे क्या करना है, हाँ वो हमें रास्ते भी दिखाते हैं। हाँ वो हमें डांटते हैं, पर हमारे लिए वो रोज पहले खुद पढ़ते हैं और हमें आकर पढ़ाते हैं। हाँ वो हमें रोकते हैं हमें कुछ गलत करने से जो हमारे लिए बुरा साबित हो। रोकते हैं उसी तरह जैसे माता पिता अपने बच्चों को। हाँ वो हमें समझाते हैं उनके अनुभव से, हमें असली दुनिया के बारे में बताते हैं, उनकी कहानियां और दुनिया की सच्चाइयां। हाँ वो हमें खिलता देखना चाहते हैं हम दुनिया में अच्छे इंसान बने। देखना चाहते हैं हम ऊंचाइयां छुए, चाहते हैं हम कि उनका नाम रोशन करें। हाँ वो हमें डांटते हैं, लेकिन सबसे ज्यादा वो हमें उनके बच्चों की तरह मानते हैं। थैंक यू।
लेक्चर्स हो या कोई इवेंट्स की तैयारी, आपकी मदद से तो हमने सारी ऊंचाइयां है नापी। आपके साथ तो बोरिंग क्लास भी लगी जिंदगी की एक सवारी। आपके साथ हुई नोकझोंक में तो हम हार के भी जीते। पढ़ाई के साथ ही जिंदगी के हसीन चैप्टर्स भी तो सीखे। आपने हमारी जिंदगी को एक नई दिशा जरूर दिखाई। ये पढ़ाई तक की तो कभी बात नहीं थी, और भी काफी यादें आपके साथ बनाई जो क्लासरूम के बहारे हमने सजाई। एक दिन तो काफी नहीं आपको शुक्रिया कहने के लिए, लफ्ज है ही नहीं लिखे जो आपके बारे में बयां कर सके। तो बस आज आपको बताना चाहेंगे, दिखाते नहीं हम अक्सर, पर आपसे रिश्ता है खास। हमारी मस्ती में ही प्यार है। कभी कभी गुस्सा होते हो, पर आपको भी कहीं ना कहीं ये एहसास है आपसे है एक रिश्ता अलग जो बातों से बयां न कर सके। बस इतना समझिए कि जो भी है वो बहुत खास है, हमारे दिल के पास है।
There was immense depth in those words. It was honestly expressed with such brevity. They have surely touched me and many others here. We now have Anushka Agarwal, who's going to draw the strings of our hearts and add her soothing voice to cherish our souls by chanting a beautiful song.
हाँ, मैं गुमसुम हूँ इन राहों की तरह, तेरे ख्वाबों में, तेरी ख्वाहिशों में छुपा, ना जाने क्यों है रोज का सिलसिला, तू रूह की है दास्तां, तेरी जुल्फों की ये नमी, तेरी आंखों का ये नशा, यहाँ खो भी जाऊं तो मैं, क्या कसूर है मेरा। कुन फाया ढूंढे अपनी मंजिल का पता, है खुदा तुझको पता, तू रहता कहाँ क्या तेरा पता। हम तो यहाँ पे मुसाफिर है, जो ढूंढे अपनी मंजिल का पता। ये चांद सा रोशन चेहरा, जुल्फों का रंग सुनहरा, ये झील सी नीली आंखें, कोई राज है इनमें गहरा। ये चांद सा रोशन चेहरा, जुल्फों का रंग सुनहरा, ये झील सी नीली आंखें, कोई राज है इनमें गहरा। तारीफ करूं क्या उसकी जिसने तुम्हें बनाया, सज तेरा चकराए या दिल डूबा जाए, आजा प्यारे पास हमारी, काहे घबराए, सज तेरा चकराए या दिल डूबा जाए, आजा प्यारे पास हमारी, काहे घबराए। है अपना दिल तो आवारा, न जाने किस पे आएगा, है अपना दिल तो आवारा, न जाने किस पे आएगा। हाल कैसा है जनाब का, क्या ख्याल है आपका, हम तो मचल गए हो, यूं ही फिसल गए। हाल कैसा है जनाब का, क्या ख्याल है आपका, हम तो मचल गए हो, यूं ही फिसल गए। अच्छा जी मैं हारी चलो मान जाओ ना, अच्छा जी मैं हारी चलो मान जाओ ना। कजरा मोहब्बत वाला अखियों ने ऐसा डाला, कजरा मोहब्बत वाला अखियों में ऐसा डाला, कजरे ने ले ली मेरी जान है, हाय रे मैं तेरे कुर्बान। छोड़ दो आंचल समाना क्या कहेगा, छोड़ दो आंचल समाना क्या कहेगा, तुम चले जाओ ते मर जाएगा दीवाना, जमाना क्या कहेगा, छोड़ दो आंचल जमाना क्या कहेगा।
The students at HR College are truly talented and can be so versatile. They do their job really well and it was proven right in front of you. But however, the teachers are no less. The teachers are equally talented, and now I would like to present the talents of some of our teachers.
हर करम अपना करेंगे, ऐ वतन तेरे लिए दिल दिया है जान भी देंगे, ऐ वतन तेरे लिए। एक अजनबी हसीना से यूं मुलाकात हो गई, एक अजनबी हसीना से यूं मुलाकात हो गई,
It was the recorded one. Now there are teachers who are sitting right here who are required to come ahead and perform. Mansi, you can take the names randomly and call them.
So we know that teachers at HR College are really all-rounders. We've seen that. So I think we should have them perform live right now. I think we should start with Amit Nandu sir. We saw in the chat box that you're really good at poetry and shairi. It's your thing. So can we have you, sir, please? It would be great.
Please, sir.
Yes, sir. It would be great to hear you.
Okay. Can you hear me? Is this
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Irshad, Amit, Irshad.
it's not written by me. I'll have to look at my diary and find something appropriate.
सर एक बार वो हो जाए जो आपने कहा था कि झूठ सच नहीं होता, वो जो आपने कहा था, सुनाई थी, जिंदगी कोई सजा नहीं और खता क्या पता नहीं.
Okay, fine. Okay. All right. That I don't need to look at it. Okay, it's I'll जितना याद आता है उतना I'll say. Then I think there's something else as well. Okay, I'll start. It says a very interesting शेर first up अर्ज किया है. जिंदगी से बड़ी सजा नहीं, जिंदगी से बड़ी सजा नहीं और गुनाह क्या है पता नहीं. जिंदगी से बड़ी सजा नहीं और गुनाह क्या है पता नहीं. इतने हिस्सों में बट गया हूं मैं, इतने हिस्सों में बट गया हूं मैं कि मेरे हिस्से में कुछ बचा नहीं. सच घटे या बढ़े तो सच न रहे, सच घटे या बढ़े तो सच न रहे, पर झूठ की कोई इंतहा नहीं. चाहे सोने में जड़ दो, चाहे सोने में जड़ दो, आईना झूठ बोलता नहीं. Very beautiful one.
Amazing sir, amazing.
तो ये राहुल सर की फरमाइश थी. एक मैं अपनी चूज की हुई सुनाऊंगा. बशीर बद्र साहब की लिखी हुई है ये, one of the famous शायर्स, if you have ever heard of him, and some good learnings from this poetry as well. So I'll a few words. It's actually a simple one, but मील का पत्थर, I hope what everyone knows that is a milestone. And yeah, I guess nothing else needs to be explained in this. Okay, I'll go. It says, आंखों में रहा पर दिल में उतर कर नहीं देखा, आंखों में ही रहा पर दिल में उतर कर नहीं देखा, कश्ती के मुसाफिर ने कभी समंदर नहीं देखा. बेवक्त अगर जाऊंगा तो सब चौंक पड़ेंगे, बेवक्त अगर जाऊंगा तो सब चौंक पड़ेंगे, एक उम्र हुई दिन में कभी घर नहीं देखा. जिस दिन से चला हूं मेरी मंजिल पे नजर है, जिस दिन से चला हूं मेरी सिर्फ मंजिल पे नजर है, आंखों ने कभी मील का पत्थर नहीं देखा. ये फूल मुझे कोई विरासत में मिले हैं. So this is me talking about my trophies, okay? ये फूल मुझे कोई विरासत में मिले हैं, तुमने मेरा कांटों भरा बिस्तर नहीं देखा. यारों की मोहब्बत पे यकीन कर लिया मैंने, यारों की मोहब्बत पे यकीन कर लिया मैंने, फूलों में छुपा हुआ खंजर नहीं देखा. महबूब का घर हो या बुजुर्गों की जमीनें, महबूब का घर हो या बुजुर्गों की जमीनें, जो छोड़ दिया उसे फिर मुड़कर नहीं देखा. खत ऐसा लिखा है कि नगीने से जड़े हैं, खत ऐसा लिखा है कि नगीने से जड़े हैं, वो हाथ जिन्होंने कभी जेवर नहीं देखा. पत्थर मुझे कहता है मेरा चाहने वाला, आखिरी शेर है. पत्थर मुझे कहता है मेरा चाहने वाला, मैं मोम हूं उसने मुझे छू कर नहीं देखा. Thank you. That was Bashir Badr.
Amazing sir. सर एक आपकी टैलेंट और एक है सर जो आप छुपा के रखते हैं, हमेशा बताते नहीं है, तो जरा एक वो टैलेंट भी आप दिखा देंगे तो हमारे जो प्रिय आपके कलीग और दोस्त बैठे हैं यहाँ पे और बच्चे बैठे हैं उनसे भी अब वाकिफ हो पाए.
Okay, so I have this passion, शौक है, I keep whistling और बहुत मार भी खाई है कॉलेज में, but ठीक है. So I'll try and whistle a song. So all of you need to just put on your headphones because it's whistle, so disturbance होगा. तो एक second, I'll just switch off my fan. AC. Maybe that AC blast is coming here. Okay, I'll try. It's a very old song, which I'll try to whistle.
Amazing, amazing. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. And अमित सर तो अपने पास साथ ही साथ और भी हमारे छुपे रुस्तम हैं।
ओए अमित छुपे रुस्तम।
चॉइस में इसको ही भेज तो सब पार्टिसिपेट करने, सब अवार्ड लेके आएगा।
आई स्वेयर इसको ही भेजो, इसको इंटर कॉलेजिएट में भी इसको ही भेजो।
आई वांट स्टूडेंट्स यार।
1 minute टैलेंट ही है।
Okay, Mansi, next one you can take.
No, we heard that Atul Satesa is a really good singer. So if you could sing for us, it would be lovely.
Atul sir.
Atul sir, if you're there.
Yes, he's there.
Come on, Atul.
Is Atul sir there?
I think someone called Atul sir.
I think he's left by some technical issue. No worries, Mansi.
Even Madhu and Priya sings really
well.
Yeah.
We are going to call. We are going to
catch them.
You can please sing.
Priyamvada ma'am, if you're here, ma'am, आप ही start करें.
Yes, ma'am.
Priyamvada ma'am.
Yes.
मैम अगर कुछ 2 लाइनें हो जाए आपकी तरफ से।
किस अंदाज में बात करूं?
मैम जो अंदाज आपको सही भाए।
Priya, something classical. Do you want me to sing or speak?
Sing, speak.
Sing.
Priyamvada, sing.
Sing. Priya, sing. Singing requires a little ear. Let me say something and then see if I can sing 2 lines. कहते हैं कि जिंदगी की रेत पर और इन राहों पर अपने कदमों के निशान छोड़ने हो तो उन राहों को घसीटते हुए ना चलो। हर एक कदम उठाओ पूरे इत्मीनान से, आत्मनिर्भरता से और आगे बढ़ो। तब कहीं जाकर पहचान बनती है न सिर्फ आपकी, लेकिन आपके कदमों के निशानों पर चलने वाले फिर बहुत हो सकते हैं। So this is a small thing. And what do I sing? You know, there is a very beautiful song by Shailendra. Today we had a lot of Bollywood, and I have seen that happening, and your students are amazing. So I must say thank you to Rahul and the whole NSS team. But I would like to speak few lines of Shailendra, the Kavi Shailendra. And I don't know how many of you are aware of his work, but of course, if it's Bollywood, then you must have heard the songs of Barsat, and you know, which was one of the iconic movies. So Barsat mein humse mile tum sajan tumse mile hum barsat mein. So that movie made Shankar Jaikishan famous. That movie made Shailendra famous. That movie made Lata Mangeshkar famous. And this is, we're talking about the early Bollywood, when it was not known as Bollywood, it was just Hindi फिल्मों का जमाना कहा करता था. बट उसमें लिखने वाले एक शैलेंद्र थे, तो शैलेंद्र एक कवि के तौर पर ज्यादा उनकी अहमियत थी और बहुत खूबसूरत गाने उन्होंने लिखे हैं. यू कैन जस्ट गूगल एंड शैलेंद्र इज ऑल ओवर. But I will try to not sing but recite one of his poetry which is very very dear to me. This is one writer who's very dear to me actually. उनके लिखे हुए बहुत खूबसूरत नगमे हैं और सबसे अच्छी बात उनकी ये है कि वो बहुत क्लिष्ट, बहुत कठिन नहीं लिखते हैं. He doesn't write very complicated, he writes very simple. बट जो उसमें जज्बात है वो बड़े गहराई तक पहुंचते हैं हम तक. तो I'll say something, just one paragraph, and you can look at the entire poem on the net later on. It says, तू जिंदा है, तू जिंदा है, तू जिंदगी की जीत पे यकीन कर. तू जिंदा है, and I think during the times of Corona it is really important that we, you know, तू जिंदा है, तू जिंदगी की जीत पे यकीन कर. अगर कहीं है स्वर्ग तो उतार ला जमीन पर. तू जिंदा है. ये गम के और 4 दिन, ये गम के और 4 दिन. Please note my pronunciation of gum. It's not gum. It's not gum. Yeah, the one which you apply on paper. It's ये गम के और 4 दिन, सितम के और 4 दिन. ये दिन भी जाएंगे गुजर, गुजर गए 1000 दिन. कभी तो होगी इस चमन पे, कभी तो होगी इस चमन पे भी बहार की नजर. अगर कहीं है स्वर्ग तो उतार ला जमीन पर. तो जिंदा है. I think with this small rendition of Shailendra's poetry, I'll say thank you very much for giving this opportunity and making this platform available for me. Once again, guys, it's really lovely, you know, to see your faces here. I know you have been telling us to switch on our videos, and I think I kept my video on for a very long time. And I'm here again. But it's nice to see the students' faces. I think Teachers' Day हमारे लिए तब रंग लाता है जब बच्चों के चेहरे हम देखते हैं, and that gives a lot of sukoon to our heart, I must say. So thank you very much. Thank you, NSS. Thank you, Rahul. Thank you for giving this platform.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Well, next, Madhu ma'am, are you there? Madhu ma'am, is she there in the?
I'll check here, just a second.
Okay. Madhuri Timak.
No, Madhu Kelkar ma'am.
No, sir.
Well, then we have a very own principal.
ज्योतिंगानी सर, अरे मेरे को कुछ नहीं आता.
Ma'am,
ज्योतिंगानी सर.
Ma'am, Dolan आपकी तरफ से भी. Ma'am, just
ज्योतिंगानी सर, ज्योतिंगानी सर आ जाओ.
ज्योतिंगानी सर.
चलो करो एक लेक्चर ले लेते हैं.
सर, अभी लेक्चर नहीं. Good to see you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Sir, hope you're enjoying the session, sir.
Oh, love it, absolutely love it. Thank you very much, and thank you to team NSS.
Sir, one song. Sir,
one song, sir, from you, sir.
भागने का तुम लोग को?
नहीं, हम भागने नहीं वाले हैं, बैठे
हैं. हम रहेंगे यहाँ पे, डट के रहेंगे.
One song.
I know.
Sir, sing real.
Okay, sir. Okay.
No singing, no drawing. I left that to the experts.
To Amit.
One thing I learned something. All hidden talents have come out so well in these times. God bless you all. Absolutely amazing.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Shuddha, Charvi, you name it, they are there. Absolutely. और रश्मि को देख के I was shocked. It was amazing.
Amazing. So, sir, you said about Rashmi ma'am. Rashmi ma'am, she also sings. Apart from dancing, she also sings. So, Rashmi ma'am, if you're there.
Rahul का तो मुझे Rahul तो I know, expert, top of the line.
Sir.
उसका नाम क्या रखा है मालूम है?
Sir, आप रहने दो sir.
नहीं बोलता यार.
Thank you, sir.
राहुल,
yes.
राहुल एक छोटा सा 2-5-7 सेकंड का एक ट्यून है जो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
Please, Bhavna ma'am, please, why not?
But I'll be holding my phone very close to my mouth, so my video will be off. I'm
okay,
putting it on.
That's fine. We like to hear you, ma'am. The stage all yours.
It's a tune which I like, and so I sometimes whistle also. So that's what I'm going to do.
Okay.
Thank you. I hope I could.
Amit got a competition now. Amit got a competition.
I don't know. I was blowing, so I don't know whether you could hear it as a whistling sound or it was just a blow. I don't know how it sounded.
It is coming. It is coming, ma'am. It is proper. Thank you so much, ma'am. Now we've got one more hidden talent here now. Amit sir, आप competition में आपके लिए कोई है?
अरे मेरे लिए कोई competition नहीं है, पापा. Thanks. It was a nice program.
Bharti has got so many notings now. Okay, who is she going to put talent parade पे on the stage? Bharti and Amrita.
मुझे लगा भाई वापस तो नहीं बुला रहा है मेरे को.
टीचर्स का 1 minute talent. हाँ, टीचर्स का 1 minute talent.
अरे आधा घंटा. They got all.
I swear. No, I mean 1 minute talent. They are going to show on the stage. Any number of teachers. All.
Yeah. This time we'll keep dance also.
बहुत साल डांस किया हम लोग ने यार talent.
Yeah, we had fun. Yes.
So many years, Pooja, you remember so many years, Amit, we have danced on talent parade.
No, but I must sincerely thank NSS students and Rahul.
We had also done, if all of you remember, we had also done a skit.
Thank you, ma'am.
भावना क्यों थी वो skit में, याद है मुझे?
हाँ, याद है हम लोग ने skit भी किया था. I know.
I think even Lakshmi Pillai, I guess.
Yeah.
अमित को मार पड़ी थी.
और डांस तो कितने साल तक किए हैं, मतलब गुजराती डांस और ये डांस और बॉलीवुड डांस तो कितने साल किए हम लोग ने.
Yeah, we dance.
I think after so many days we are sitting here and discussing like this.
Yes.
Staff talent parade.
Now, Rashmi ma'am, are you there? Rashmi ma'am, तो उनका भी एक talent है, वो भी देख लिया जाए. Rashmi ma'am.
Rahul, I'm bad at it, yaar. I'm bad.
Still we are.
अरे रश्मि आजा, रश्मि हो जाए, come on.
Rashika, you're not bad at all. Please sing, yaar. Come on.
रश्मि हो जाए, चलो.
Okay, I'll try. I'll sing the small thing. ये अरमा है, शोर नहीं हो, खामोशी के मेले हो, इस दुनिया में कोई नहीं हो, हम दोनों ही अकेले हो, तुमने दीवाना. मैम, मैं और आप.
Bharti, Rashmi singing for Amrita, okay?
No, Nandu sir, it's for everybody.
Only Amrita.
Rashmi पूरा तो कर. Rashmi पूरा तो कर.
बस मैम, thank you so much.
Okay, so
काजल जैसी आंखों वाली.
Rahul sir, please.
Wait. We have Naveen Punjabi sir. You all don't know his talent. I know sir.
अरे नवीन भी है.
हाँ, Naveen sir, are you there?
नवीन सर हो जाए.
yes sir, लेकिन मैं कुछ गा नहीं सकता हूँ सर.
सर आप गाते हैं सर, आप छुपाइए मत सर. आज आपकी पोल खुलने वाली है सर. आप
अरे भाई मेरे को गाना वाना नहीं आता है.
सर
नहीं सर,
दो लाइन तो बनती है.
Rahul, I will sing, but I'm a bathroom singer, but I'm not a great singer like all of you all.
Sir, assume ये वही scenario है
Naveen, everybody is a bathroom singer. चल. Naveen, everybody is a bathroom singer. चल.
अच्छा ठीक है, चलो भाव नहीं. ये चांद सा रोशन चेहरा, जुल्फों का रंग सुनहरा, ये झील सी आंखें, कोई राज है इनमें गहरा, तारीफ करूं क्या उसकी जिसने तुम्हें बनाया, तारीफ
नवीन बोल दे, डेडिकेटेड टू वाइफ. बोल दे.
जिसने
वो घर पे ही होगी, सुन रही होगी.
इसके लिए कर देना.
आगे सर. म्यूट सर, आप म्यूट पे है.
सर आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही.
आवाज चली गई. कोई ईयरफोन निकल गया.
कभी ये ऑडियो इशू है. कैन यू हियर मी नाउ?
जी.
Yes sir.
कयामत भी है, लोगों से सुना करते थे, तुम्हें देख के मैंने जाना, वो ठीक कहा करते थे, वो ठीक कहा करते थे. तू बल खाती एक नदिया, हर मौज तेरी अंगड़ाई, जो इन मौजों में डूबा उसने ही दुनिया पाई, तारीफ करूं क्या उसकी जिसने तुम्हें बनाया. थैंक यू ऑल.
Thank you sir. Thank you so much.
Rahul sir.
Yes.
All hidden talents, please come forward.
नहीं नहीं बेटा।
राहुल सर, अब आपकी बारी
राहुल
सर।
हो गया
Okay.
राहुल सर,
स्पॉटलाइट दो राहुल सर।
राहुल सर।
Okay. Okay. A
राहुल
song
तेरे
which
को
was
भाव खाना तो पहले बोल देता है, मैं तो थोड़ा दे देता तेरे को।
सर सीख रहा हूँ आपसे, सर सीख रहा हूँ। Okay. Now the small एक छोटा song है जो काफी recently बीच में आया था and it was for SSR Sushant Singh Rajput. So I will sing that few lines. खैरियत पूछो कभी तो कैफियत पूछो, ये दिल दीवाने का क्या हाल है। आगे क्या था भूल गया।
दिल
थैंक यू। या दिल मेरा देखो ना मेरी हैसियत पूछो, कि एक दिन तुम बिन 100 साल है। अंजाम है तय मेरा होना तुझे है मेरा, जितनी भी है दूरियां फिलहाल है, ये दूरियां फिलहाल है। ओ खैरियत पूछो कभी तो कैफियत पूछो, ये दिल दीवाने का क्या हाल है। दिल मेरा देखो ना मेरी हैसियत पूछो, कि एक दिन तुम बिन 100 साल है। थैंक यू सो मच।
So we have a national anthem. This name man wants you to also sing Jab Tak.
It's a song request.
The song
Yeah. Which one?
Jab Tak.
Jab Tak. That's one of the favorite.
I
You have an amazing voice. You have an amazing voice.
Thank you so much. But I don't remember the lyrics of Jab Tak. If you want, I can sing some other song.
Okay.
I can sing one song if you want. Now the same movie.
Yeah.
तू आती है सीने में,
Wow, that's amazing.
जब जब सांसें लेता हूँ, कौन तुझे यूं प्यार करेगा जैसे मैं करता हूँ। Thank you so much. Now we
Thank you
so much.
Mansi, can we move forward with the show now?
Yes, we can.
Yeah, the most interesting part is coming now. So be there. I know we have exceeded 11 hours, 1 hour 15 minutes. But
Rahul.
Yes,
I think
ma'am.
Parag sir has also joined, so let him come and speak.
Yeah, Parag sir. Yes,
Parag sir.
definitely. Parag sir.
He is on mute.
Please,
yes.
please
Yeah.
unmute.
Good morning to all. Wishing all the faculty members a very happy Teachers' Day. And thank you, Rahul, and all the student volunteers who have made an excellent program for the teachers on this day. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Pleasure.
Thank you, sir.
We request you to stay there, stay tuned. Something new is coming ahead. Please wait for that. Yeah.
More exciting. I'll continue.
Yeah.
आप इतने सरप्राइजेस
राहुल और कितना न्यू है?
मैम देखिए तो सही, बच्चों ने मेहनत की है.
Seriously, very good.
Okay. The teachers at HR College not only educate but also inspire the students to better themselves and help them discover their talents. The entertainment for today isn't over yet. We now have a dance by the NSS volunteers who are going to showcase a beautiful dance and rock the stage.
आजकल तेरे मेरे प्यार के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर, सबको मालूम है और सबको खबर हो गई। आजकल तेरे मेरे प्यार के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर, सबको मालूम है और सबको खबर हो गई।
तो क्या आजकल तेरे मेरे प्यार के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर, सबको मालूम है और सबको खबर हो गई।
गोरी 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 कभी कभी कहीं कहीं चोरी चोरी गोरी 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 कभी कभी कहीं कहीं चोरी चोरी छुप छुप के तुम मिला करो प्यारी प्यारी बातें बातें किया करो पर यूं ना मिलना किसी से कभी हमारे सिवा
गोरी 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 बोले बोले नए नए गोरी गोरी देखो देखो हम दोनों मीते हैं सुन सुन दिल की चुपकी पे है पर सुन नहीं पाए इन्हें ना कोई हमारे सिवा
गोरी 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 कभी कभी कहीं कहीं चोरी चोरी
गोरी 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 बोले बोले नए नए गोरी गोरी
ऐसी क्या चली हवा के ले गई मेरी सांसों को मुझसे दूर तेरे पास और मुझे हुआ ऐसा
It really looks like the students put their heart and soul to the performance. It was an amazing performance. The ongoing pandemic and the lockdown situation has kept us away from the college. But however, the college still remains in our hearts. If we can't go to the college, we're going to bring the college to you. We now have a video that goes back to all the memories that we have made at the college and will make all of us miss college even more.
Thapa, before you play, Thapa,
yeah,
just pause the video. I request all the teachers to just open the cameras for this video specially. We want to note your reactions.
Please, every teacher,
This video is the main thing of our event. I request all the teachers to switch on the cameras.
Please, professors.
Yeah. So those who put it off, humble request to put it on. Thank you. We can see all these smiling faces.
All the volunteers,
there.
please note the reactions of the teachers while the video is going on. Thank you. Thapa, you can play now.
Naveen sir, where are you? Sir, we want a camera on.
Please put your cameras on, teachers.
Risha Datta ma'am. Drishti ma'am. Everyone, please.
यादों के पुराने एल्बम में छुपा के रखे हैं हमने वो दिन गुल्लक में पड़ी चवन्नी सी बचा के रखे हैं हमने वो दिन ना किसी मंजिल की फिक्र थी जिंदगी जीने की उम्र थी दोस्ती और दोस्तों से उधार के दिन थे वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे दिन भी क्या दिन थे, वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे, वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे, वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे। कहते थे लोग जो काबिल नहीं है तू, देंगे वही सलामियाँ। दिल थाम के जहाँ देखेगा एक दिन तेरी भी कामयाबियाँ। करके दिखा कमाल वो, आके ज़मीं पे दे के जाए आसमां। शाबाशियाँ, 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 शाबाशियाँ।
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Rahul,
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
I
ma'am.
think my brief that all teachers should get tears in their eyes. You connected them back to HR. We all are missing you all,
We are missing
students.
college.
Now
Yeah.
we want to come back. I think meet all our students and each other. Rahul, well done. Or NSS students, proud of you. I got tears in my eyes. I'm missing college. Maybe I'm going daily, but I want to meet all of you again.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you,
My
ma'am.
brief-
Means a lot,
My
ma'am.
brief this program, superb, superb program.
Thank you so much, ma'am. We tried our best so that we can connect and make this memories alive and get the nostalgic feeling. I hope my students and my volunteers have.
I think
done enough.
I'm agree.
Great
I
job,
think all
great
teachers will agree. This is the morning, the best Teachers' Day in last 19, 20 years that we have been here. Best Teachers' Day. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you, Rahul.
Thank you, thank you,
Means
ma'am.
a lot, ma'am. Lot for NSS.
All students, you made our day. All students,
Brought
you made
all
our day.
teachers together. You brought
you.
all teachers
Thank you,
together.
Team NSS.
Thank you,
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Thank you, ma'am.
Don't let us not forget that all the efforts and guidance what Pooja Ramchandani has given us during this session. We have meetings. Ma'am was there in the meetings also with us. So they also supported us, guided us, mentored us. Thank you for all the support, all the teachers. I'm really thankful for all the support you're giving for the students to conduct this exam, this entire session. Thank you so much once again from NSS and from me. Thank you for all the teachers, and once again, a happy Teachers' Day to all of you. To all the to my principal, vice principal, to all the faculties, and all the students here. Thank you so much for being there.
Thank you so much, NSS. Proud of all of you. And thank you to all my colleagues from HR, junior, senior college, everybody for coming this morning. And I hope you all enjoyed this small gift from NSS and Rahul. Proud of you, my dear students. Proud of you. My brief, grand salute to all of you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Well done.
Thank you, thank you.
Now,
So-
sir, in NSS, are we getting the results of the game?
Results.
Or is it
Yes.
Rani ma'am only?
Yes, ma'am.
I
Yes,
think we
ma'am.
all accepted it decided for Rani ma'am.
अरे रानी क्या जी
First prize
और
goes
क्या
to
सुनते हैं?
Rani. First prize goes to Rani.
तो सब रीड
First prize goes to Rani. चलो.
राहुल वो रिजल्ट
हरि ओम सर, मैंने लीक नहीं किया है।
चीटिंग
मैंने लीक नहीं किया है।
चीटिंग है, चीटिंग पूरा।
I think we know the results.
कि जब भी मैं जीतती हूँ ना, ये अमित मुझे हमेशा चीटिंग ही मान लेता है।
नहीं, रानी मैम, हमें पता है आप genuinely जीते हो। जल्दी
Can we have the results, students?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. And please send it to Pooja Ramchandani ma'am. She will announce the results.
अरे अनाउंस करो बेटा।
Ma'am, it better if you announce it. We'll send you the results.
Yes, ma'am.
Bhavesh, if you could send the results.
Yes, ma'am. I'm
To
sending you
read
the
it.
result.
Where
Wait.
are you sending me, बेटा?
WhatsApp.
WhatsApp, ma'am.
अच्छा, मुझे मिल गया, मैं आपको भेज रहा हूँ।
अरे
हाँ,
राहुल
सर।
तुम बताओ बेटा। राहुल
राहुल आप ही कर लो। राहुल आप ही कर लो।
राहुल बोलो पता तो है किसका नाम है।
अरे मैम, आप एक
वो राहुल को वो रानी का नाम
अमित से डर रहा है कि रानी का नाम
राहुल को वो छुपा नहीं है खुशी जो रानी का नाम
अरे
उसको होगी।
I was just testing Amit and Naveen and Rahul, okay, to have a jugalbandi, you know, that I was just requesting, okay, it's okay, the time is up, okay, but I eagerly I was waiting, तीनों का जुगलबंदी होना चाहिए, तीनों छुपे उस समय।
अभी हम लोग एक YouTube चैनल निकालेंगे।
मैडम, अमर अकबर एंथनी।
विनर्स अनाउंस करो राहुल। अनाउंस
आपको भेज दिया मैम, आपको भेज
अरे
दिया।
अनाउंस करो बेटा।
अरे
Ma'am, please. Ma'am, please.
पहले आप में गाड़ी निकल जाएगी यार।
The quiz is Rani, first rank. Then is Naveen sir and is Rifa ma'am.
Okay, great. नवीन तू ही फर्स्ट है।
रानी मैम का तो पता ही था।
ये पहला प्राइज तो रिक है। नवीन तू ही फर्स्ट है।
Rifa ma'am.
फर्स्ट वाली को स्पेशल प्राइज है, वो वन साइडेड प्राइज है।
Thank you so much everyone for joining in and bringing so much time. Thank you so much. Now ma'am, with the permission like to end the event.
Yes.
Well done.
Thank you so much.
बहुत मजा आया राहुल, बहुत मजा आया।
Thank you so much.
Thank you Rahul.
Super.
Thank you so much. All the students, thank you. All my faculty.
Thank you so much.
Thank you
This
ma'am.
will go on.
Thank you. Everyone has done a fabulous job.
We'll put it on YouTube ma'am also.
Yes. All my talented teachers should come out.
Yes.
Yes.
We are really glad that all the
competition also ma'am. For teachers, talent and for teachers also separately.
को कोई लेके चला जाए हमारे HR कॉलेज की टीचरों को टैलेंट के लिए। Well done NSS students Rahul. Well done. Thank you to all my team. God bless.
Thank you. Bhavesh, can we all have all the charts also with us, as a memory so we can print it and...
Yes, sir.
Yes, we've already taken the screenshot.
Yeah. So I'm pleased.
एडिट करना चैट पैड ऐसे मत रखना।
सर अच्छी वाली रखेंगे सर, अच्छी वाली सर। सबसे अच्छे वाले सर।
मानसी एंड भावेश
नहीं कोई जरूरत नहीं है सब रखने का, इसमें कोई छुपाने का नहीं है।
भारती मैम हम लोग बेचने वाले हैं।
नो नहीं कोई नहीं, सब चैट ऐसे ही रखना बच्चे लोग।
जैसे आप कहें मैम, जैसे आप कहें।
Go to the chat box option and just send chat from there.
भारती मैम आप ऐसा करो कि स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो।
नवीन सर अभी जैसे मैम ने कहा अपने को लेट्स
फटाफट स्क्रॉल करके स्क्रीनशॉट लो।
नहीं NSS team really you made our day. Really you made it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you everyone. Nice program.
Thank you,
program.
Thank you ma'am.
Really enjoyed.
The program we didn't want it to end.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. Very nice. Very nicely done.
Thank you ma'am.
Thank you ma'am. We are very glad that you all teachers like this, and even we are happy that we could see such smiling faces early in the morning of all the teachers. Thank you, teachers. Thanks a lot. Means a lot for us.
God bless you all. God bless.
Thank.
So can I end the meeting now?
Yeah. But I hope this is properly recorded and is going to be uploaded on the YouTube channel. Ma'am has said. Okay, do proper editing for the end part, and you can then proceed.
Yes. Yes. Sir.
Yes. Okay. Chalo. Thank you so much for joining in. Thank you once again.
RSS. Thank you.
Thank you.
Happy Teachers Day to all.
Happy Teachers Day again.
Happy Teachers Day.